I'm going to go over this schedule with you for the week. So this week on Monday, you are going to need this independent reading survey from your packet. That will be your journal, and I go over that with you in a video. Your math for that day is attached to the email where the schedule is. Looks like this. So you can print it out, or I go over the whole thing and I hold it up quite a few times. So if you're not able to print it out, you can just look at it and write your answers on a separate sheet of paper as I go through it. You will need Charlotte's Web. Exciting times. We got to new chapters this week that we hadn't read yet, chapters 13 through 16. So you'll need your comprehension questions. There are 3 pages. You'll need 2 of the pages for Monday. We're going to do 1 through 7. So the first page is 1 through 5. Then we'll do 6 and 7 on Monday. And then on Tuesday, we're going to do 8 through 13. So you'll need that second page again on Tuesday. Your journal for Tuesday is from the A Day in the Life of the President, Mediate an Argument. So this is your journal for Tuesday, and I go over that in a video. And then the second and third page of the comprehension questions for Charlotte's Web. You'll be learning about people who live in the Arctic. I figured that was appropriate since we've had snow here in May and it's been very cold this week while I've been recording the videos. But next week, hopefully at the time when you guys are going to be watching this, it's supposed to get warmer. You have this page you can print out. It's I Spy, where you can find the baby animals. So you can print it out or you can just pull it up and try and find the animals. It's quick. There's some videos that go along with it from National Geographic that were very interesting. We have some Go Noodle activities. On Wednesday, we'll have our classroom Zoom, and you will be writing an informative narrative. So I go over this. You need this paper from the packet for Wednesday. And then our math for Wednesday is these 2 pages, the lock and key fractions and the fraction learning check. And both of these are attached to the email where the schedule is. And then on Wednesday, you will be doing the 2 pages of vocabulary. So you'll need these 2 pages, chapters 13 through 16. And it is helpful if you also have the vocabulary cards, because if you remember, these give you the answers, the word and the definition are matched up. And then on Thursday, you'll be cutting these apart and matching them together. Another thing that we're doing on Thursday, there's a Scholastic News article on the Arctic. So like I said, you'll be learning about that all week. Another Go Noodle. And then Friday, journal is a free write. You'll have your Moby Max. You'll have Raz Kids. There's a Schoolhouse Rock video on nouns. And then another video on nouns. And then we do this worksheet together, common and proper nouns. And this will be attached to the email. You can print it out or just look at it. I go through it all. So you can have a separate sheet of paper if you're not able to print that out. And then there's another 12-minute video on types of Arctic animals, which was very interesting. And there is a website with more information where you could explore for Friday. And then I'm really excited that I found some videos by a man who goes by the name Just Me. He does different rap songs that are related to meditation and mindfulness. And there was a lot of interesting stuff. So we might be watching more of his videos as time goes on. So those are the papers that you need for this week. Your schedule. I'm going to send that out in an email after I finish this video. And then, of course, all the links to the videos are on a separate paper. I was able to change the name. So when you're clicking on a link, it will be on the schedule or on here. It will actually say what the video is, and then when you click on it, the link will take you directly to the video. So I learned a little new technology this week and thought maybe that would make it a little bit easier on me when I was typing up the schedule and easier for you to follow. So I hope you have a really great week, and let me know if you have any issues. Thanks.